Paying your home loan early, it's not only for the ultra high income earners. In today's Australian market, it's achievable for everyday Australian citizens. In this video, I'm going to show you a few strategies that will help you pay off your loan fast. When I talk to many people, I ask them, how much is your loan? What's your interest rate? How much you pay every month? A lot of people do not know the numbers. That will help you save lots of money in interest. If your repayment is, let's say, $360 per week, you can round up to $400 per week. Try to have as much money in the offset account as possible, so they don't have to pay anything on the interest from the credit card. Instead of spending from their own saving, they use the credit card to spend money to buy property. They have principal interest. That is very good. But if you can afford principal and interest for the investment property as well, paying your home loan early, it's not only for the ultra high income earners. In today's Australian market, it's achievable for everyday Australian citizens with the right plan. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few strategies that will help you pay off your loan faster. Hi, this is Priyank Patel, and I help Australian people achieve financial freedom early through investing in property market. So first of all, you need to know your numbers. In Australia, average loan size is very close to 700k, and monthly repayment is very close to 4,000 a month. So when I talk to many people, I ask them, how much is your loan? What's your interest rate? How much you pay every month? A lot of people do not know the numbers. So I would recommend open your net banking and check your numbers first. Once you know where we are, and then now you can go for the strategy. Strategy number one is you can change your payment frequency and you can pay a little bit extra. What does this mean? If you are paying monthly repayments according to Money Smart, if you change it to fortnightly repayments or even weekly repayments, that will help you save lots of money in interest over the life of the loan. So try changing the payment frequency. Second thing is you can pay little extra every single time you pay, or you can round it up. For example, if your repayment is, let's say, $360 per week, you can round up to $400 per week. So that way you will be paying extra every single week. You can set up an auto amount saying, okay, every single payment I will make $100 extra. That way what happens is every time you have to pay your loan repayment, you will be paying $100 extra, and you don't even need to worry about it. You don't even need to know. So if you set up a direct debit, it will happen automatically. Strategy number two is you can create offset account if you don't already have one, and try to have as much money in the offset account as possible. I have seen so many people, what they do is they're very good, very disciplined with the credit card. So they have a credit card, they spend all everything they need to spend from the credit card. End of the month, they pay it off completely, fully. So they don't have to pay anything on the interest from the credit card. But what they do is they keep the money in the offset account. And the way offset account works is every single day, every single dollar that you have in your offset account helps you reduce your interest. So instead of spending from their own saving, they use the credit card to spend money, and that way they save interest because the money is sitting in the offset account. So if you are good, if you're disciplined, you can do the same strategy as well. Strategy number three, you can stick to principal and interest instead of interest only. I have seen most of the people, when they have owner-occupier property, they have principal interest. That is very good. But if you can afford principal and interest for the investment property as well, I know it reduces your borrowing capacity. Some cases it increases borrowing capacity. But I know the cash flow is impacted because it's a principal and interest. But if you can afford, if the rent is good, if you keep principal interest, eventually it will help you to save money on the interest, because you get slightly cheaper interest rate as well. Because if you, instead of getting interest only loan, if you opt for principal interest, the interest rate is better in most of the banks. Now let me quickly summarize these few tips and what you can do about it. Okay, so first of all, to start with, you need to know your numbers: loan amount, interest rate, how much you're paying every month or every week. You can change the frequency and pay extra every single time. You can direct debit or set it up automatically, or you can round it up. Instead of putting like 360 per week, you can say 400 per week, round it up. So that way you are forced to automatically pay extra repayments in your home loan. You can also do principal interest loan instead of interest only loan, so to get a cheaper rate, and you can use offset account to help you save interest in the home loan. I hope you like this video, very useful. And if you need any help, if you want one-on-one session with me, make a strategy for you, link in the comment below. I have put a link there, and feel free to set up a meeting with me. I'm more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Priyank Patel. See you next time.